Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this is going to be a quick video, guys. So in this one, I'll be showing you how to turn on fast charging and also fast wireless charging. So both should be on fresh out of a box. However, still do check just to make sure, because we want the fastest charging speeds possible when charging the phone. Okay, so to check, just simply pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says battery and device care. Select it, then select battery, and then scroll all the way down to where it says more battery settings. And here you will see fast charging and fast wireless charging. Unfortunately, there's not a super fast charging option like with the S22 Ultra. So just make sure both of those are switched on, and then when you're charging the phone, you will get the fastest charging speeds. Okay, hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.